Very good morning, students. Today in this video you will get information related to ocean currents. We are discussing chapter number 5, last portion of chapter number 5. Earlier we have discussed about water cycle, ocean circulation in three parts: waves, tsunami, then we have discussed in the last video tides, and now we are going to discussing the last part of this chapter, ocean currents. So simply ocean currents, the definition is given that ocean currents are the streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in a definite direction. So in a simple word you can remember it as a ocean circulation is a continuous circulation of oceanic water within the ocean. It is due to the convectional energy that coming from the beneath the earth. It prevailing, or you can say help in origin of such oceanic currents. Simply we can classify the oceanic currents into two parts: warm oceanic currents and cold oceanic currents. Warm oceanic currents have their origin from equator as compared to the cold oceanic currents. Cold oceanic currents have their origin from poles, and warm oceanic currents always prevailing origin from equator but prevailing their direction toward the pole. They have their origin from the equator but they always moves towards the pole. As compared to the cold currents have their origin in the poles but they try to prevailing move towards the poles. So move towards the equator. Okay, clear it. पोल्स से ओरिजिन होता है एंड मूव्स टुवर्ड्स द इक्वेटर की तरफ आते हैं कोल्ड करंट्स. सो दिस द मेन रीजन बिहाइंड इट दैट warm currents, when the water become warmer it become lighter and it ascends towards the poles. Okay, and when the pole at the poles, when the water become colder due to the influence of cold currents, water become denser. So due to the density, high density, it comes down towards the equator. Okay, down towards the equator, clearly. So this is the main difference between the warm current and the cold currents. One thing you also note down that warm currents start from one direction and completely circulate the whole part and coming to the same point from where they have their origin. Okay, now we are going again coming to the paragraph. The ocean currents may be warm or cold, and as shown is figure 5.6. We will then discuss the given map also. In this map we will discuss about the different oceanic currents. Generally the warm ओशन करंट्स ओरिजिनेटेड नियर द इक्वेटर एंड द मूव्स टुवर्ड्स द पोल. अभी अपने डिस्कस किया था कि उनका ओरिजिन कहाँ से होता है, वार्म का इक्वेटर से होता है और वो कहाँ जाते हैं, पोल्स की तरफ जाते हैं. और कोल्ड करंट्स कैरी द वाटर फ्रॉम द पोलर और हायर लैटिट्यूड्स टू ट्रॉपिक्स और लोअर लैटिट्यूड्स. और इसी तरीके से कोल्ड करंट्स क्या करते हैं, पोल्स से आते हैं किधर, लोअर लैटिट्यूड्स की तरफ आते हैं. द लैब्राडोर ओशन करंट्स इज कोल्ड करंट while Gulf Stream is a warm current. There is two important currents: the world famous Gulf Stream, which is prevailing, both current prevailing in the Atlantic Ocean. As compare, Gulf Stream is a warm current and Labrador is a cold current. The place where Gulf Stream and the Labrador oceanic currents meets, the place is very favorable for fishing grounds. The well-known fishing grounds are prevailing then. The name of fishing grounds are the Grand Bank. Yes, Grand Bank is very famous fishing ground which is located at the meeting point of Gulf Stream and the Labrador current. Gulf Stream is a warm current and Labrador is a cold current. Okay. Next, the ocean current influence the temperature condition of the area. Warm currents bring about warm temperature of the land surface, and the area where the warm and the cold currents meets provide the best fishing grounds of the world. Sea around Japan and the eastern coast of the North America are such example. सिमिलर वे में वर्ल्ड में जो हाईएस्ट फिशिंग कहाँ से, जापान के पैसिफिक ओशन से, जापान साइड में जो पैसिफिक ओशन है वहाँ से कैच किया जाता है। तो इसका भी मेन रीज़न क्या है, कुरोशिवो एंड द ओयोशिवो आर द टू, कुरोशिवो is the cold current and Oyosivo is the warm current. तो Kuroshio and Oyosivo, they are both Kuroshio and Oyosivo. Okay, the both currents when meet, it results the conditions are favorable for the fishing grounds. The area where the warm and the cold current meets also experience a foggy weather, make it difficult for navigation. तो क्लियरली यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि जहाँ पर कोल्ड और वार्म करंट दोनों मीट करते हैं वहाँ पर जनरली रेडिएशन फॉग डेवलप हो जाता है और इट रिड्यूस द विजिबिलिटी ऑल्सो, तो शिप्स को ट्रैवल करने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम भी होती है। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द गिवन ओशनिक करंट्स। गिवन ओशनिक करंट्स को थोड़ा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे, फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस the given currents of the Pacific Ocean. Kuroshio, cold current and Oyoshivo, both are cold currents. यहाँ पर warm current है, एक करेक्शन आप कर लेना, Kuroshio and Oyoshivo are both cold currents. Kurile is a warm current. तो कुराइल करंट जो है वो ये दोनों जब मीट करते हैं, ये जो रीजन है यहाँ पर, द रेड कलर इंडिकेट द cold currents and the blue color, by the help of blue color we are indicating, sorry, by the help of red color we are indicating warm currents and by the help of blue color we are indicating cold currents. So similar way में आप पैसिफिक ओशन में अगेन देखते हैं, यहाँ पर अलास्का इज ए कोल्ड करंट, कैलिफोर्निया इज ए कोल्ड करंट, देन नॉर्थ इक्वेटोरियल करंट इज ए वार्म करंट, अलास्का करंट है, अलास्का इज ए वार्म करंट, ओके, कैलिफोर्निया इज ए कोल्ड करंट, देन इट कमिंग टू द हम्बोल्ट इज ए अगेन cold current, then west wind is also a cold current, and if we are coming toward the North Atlantic Ocean, the important currents we already discussed, Gulf Stream is a warm current that originated near the North Equatorial current, then it moved toward the Caribbean Sea, then Caribbean current, Florida current is there, then it converted into Gulf Stream, then moved toward the Iceland. It is known as North Atlantic Drift, then comes down and Rhenal current near the Europe, and then comes again towards the equator. Same way, if we go through the South Atlantic Ocean, then there is Falkland current is a cold current, Brazil is a warm current, Benguela is a cold current, and west wind drift again there is a cold current. So these are the some important currents of North Atlantic Ocean. Now we are going to discuss the currents of Indian Ocean. In Indian Ocean, famous current is Agulhas current near the South Africa, or you can say south of Madagascar. Agulhas current is there. It is a example of warm current. Then Somali current is a cold current. Then Madagascar, Mozambique is also are warm currents. Then west wind drift is same. West Atlantic current near the western side of Australia. Then equatorial counter current is there, south equatorial current is there, okay. So these all are the different oceanic currents we have discussed in this chapter, and we are going to discuss the given exercise also. So let's start. Answer the following questions. What is a precipitation? Precipitation is simply a form of rain. In the simple word you can say it a rain, mist, fog, hailing. These all are the types of precipitations. What is a water cycle? Water cycle is generally circulation of water from the huge water bodies, and it's first evaporates, then makes then condense, makes clouds, then again come runoff, then coming to the again meeting to the water bodies. So it is a complete water cycle which is a part of hydrosphere. What are the factors that are affecting the height of waves? So simply the answer is there, direction of winds. As the speed of wind is there and the direction of wind is there, the more the speed of wind, the same the height of the wind also increase. Or the shape of the coast also affected. Which factor affect the movement of ocean water? Ocean water is affected by the direction of wind, speed of wind is there, the shape of the coast is there. These are the some factors which affect the movement of oceanic water. Okay. What are the tides? Tides are the rhythmic rise and fall of oceanic water. And how they causes? They are causes due to the gravitational pull of sun and moon. So we already discussed there are two types of tides. High tides are there. High tides are also known as spring tides, and the low tides also known as neap tides. What are ocean currents? So today we have discussed ocean currents are the stream of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in a definite direction. Okay, or you can say simply a direction. Simply the ocean is circulation of water in a fixed direction. Give reasons. Ocean water is salty. Ocean water is salty due to the marine organisms which are available in the ocean water. They inhale calcium chloride, calcium carbonate. They inhale calcium chloride, and or you can say calcium carbonate, and excrete NaCl, sodium chloride. So NaCl is simply, you can say, it is a salt. And the second, you can write down the reason behind it. The minerals brought by the different rivers from its runoff. Okay. The quality of water is deteriorating. The day by day the quality of water is affecting. It is due to the pollutions. Okay, pollution. Then tick the correct answer. The process by which water continuously change from is form and circulate between the ocean and the atmosphere, it known as water cycle. So you can write down it as a simply a definition of a water cycle. Generally the warm ocean currents originated near the equator. The rhythmic rise and fall is known as tides. The Caspian Sea is the largest lake in the world. Tide is periodic rise and fall of water by a gap. हमने पढ़ा था 12 hours 26 minutes. Tsunami, strong seismic waves due to the earthquake when come beneath the ocean. Ocean currents, the stream of water moves definite path. बिल्कुल डेफिनेट पाथ में जब मूव करता है तो इट इज़ नोन एज ओशन करंट्स. Okay, so we have completed this chapter. Complete all the question answer in copy, and for fun, when you have time, be a detective and complete these puzzles. The name of one river is hidden in each of the sentence below. Spot it. Example: Mandira, विजयालक्ष्मी, सुरिंदर आर द माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. तो इसमें आपने एक रिवर का नाम खोज सकते हो. एक एग्जांपल दिया है जैसे RAVI, रावी इज ए ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ इंदस. ओके. इसी तरीके से स्नेक चार्मर, बस्टी, स्टेबल्स वेयर हॉर्सेज आर हाउस एंड द पाइल ऑफ वुड ऑल्सो कॉच फायर एक्सीडेंटली. हिंट है अनदर नेम ऑफ रिवर ब्रह्मपुत्रा. तो इसमें ब्रह्मपुत्र का एक अलग नाम है. तो ब्रह्मपुत्र के मैं नाम बता देता हूँ कौन कौन से हैं. जब ये चाइना से ओरिजिन होता है तो उसका नाम है सांगपो. तो आप इसमें TSANGPO सांगपो ढूंढ सकते हैं, और एक दिहांग को भी ढूंढ सकते हैं. DHING, दिहांग भी कह सकते हैं. अरुणाचल में दिहांग होता है और चाइना तिब्बत में इसका नाम होता है सांगपो. तो सांगपो आप इसमें ढूंढ सकते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट, द conference manager put pad material for reading and a pencil for the each participants. Hinted distributary of Ganga and Brahmaputra Delta. The distributaries on the Ganga and Brahmaputra Delta. तो यहाँ पर उसकी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरीज का नाम बताना है जो यहाँ पर हैं. सो गंगा है, उसका नाम पद्मा हो जाता है. ब्रह्मपुत्र का नाम हो जाता है जमुना हो जाता है. तो आप इसको सर्च कर सकते हैं. ईदर जेलियसली और एंगर कॉजेज ए पर्सन फॉल. हिंट है नेम ऑफ ए जूसी फ्रूट. एक जूसी फ्रूट का आप यहाँ पर नाम लिख सकते हो. सो बी ए डिटेक्टिव एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस एंड राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स ऑल्सो. ओके. नमस्कार. जय हिंद.